desk stash. Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. Welcome back, you guys, to my channel. If you are brand new, I welcome you. That's right, we are super hyped today. We're always hyped, but we are a little extra today. That's right, we are a little extra hyped, extra excited because we've got a brand new box. This one is called, let me see if I can say it right without mumbling over my words, Desk Stash. Try saying that 5 times fast. Desk Stash, dash, dash, dash. Okay, deskstash.com is the website you're going to want to go check out if you guys are interested in office things, but not just any old office thing. We are never going to get yellow sticky notes. We're never going to get the common push pin. This Desk Stash box includes unique items for your office area. I am super excited to check this out, you guys. This is a quarterly subscription box, which means you're gonna get it 4 times a year. You can sign up for the whole year and get a little discount, or you can order based on whatever quarter you want to receive the box. So Desk Stash is gonna run you roughly around $45, and you're going to get about 5 to 7 items per box. This is the little old box that I got. It's a beautiful aqua blue. On the bottom here, it says contents, colorful, cool, very, very useful, workspace happiness. Love that. So Desk Stash, let's go ahead and open you up, and then we will give you our first rating, which I am super excited. You guys know that I love to do that rating of the box, and we do that at the end of every little video here. Opening it up. Here we go. You guys ready? Woo! Okay, Desk Stash. It has their socials right on this area here. And then on the top, it has a little postcard. And it has all of the items that are inside the box. Love that. This is the fall edition. Retail value is $75. It's just missing the values. But let's go ahead and take a look first.
A few moments later.
Here we go. Look at that. So they've got some blue tissue paper inside. Oh my goodness. Here's the first item. It is called a really flexible book light. It's got a dimmer switch for when you're working on a red-eye flight or reading next to your sleeping significant other. And this high-quality lamp is so flexible, you'll think it was designed by a double-jointed contortionist from Cirque du Soleil. Okay, it has a flexible neck, a dimmable light, and a long life on the battery, which is important. So here is that thingy. Oh, that's an interesting idea. And then on the back, it has a little clip. You can clip it right onto your book or notebook, whatever you're reading, and then adjust the light as need be. Next, we have a bad guy blocker. This is a webcam blocker. You have a Zoom meeting at 8 a.m., wear your jammies or nothing at all, because it just doesn't matter if you have this thing. Fix it over your laptop's camera and slide it closed when you're letting it all hang out. Clean the area of your camera, of your device, and allow it to dry. Remove the paper backing and press the security curtain onto your device, making sure the camera lens is clear. Keep the curtain closed to protect your privacy. Easily slide it open when needed by you. Bad guy blocker. Next, we have ooh, this is cute. It says mail. This is a mail letter stand. Desk Stash founder is of Swiss descent, just like this nifty blue letter stand made of durable steel. Use it to prioritize your pesky bills and never again be late paying the lecky. So here it is, just a basic steel letter holder. Blue, my favorite color. Love that. The next item, we have some clips. These are office supply themed paper clips. This box of Japanese etched paper clips have been taken to a new level. Now imagined as tiny works of art. 4 designs etched with laser beam perfection. Laser beam. Look at these. There's a scissors, there's a little binder clip, a book, and a pen. Okay, we're having issues here. Slide out. Oh! So here's what they look like. Here's a little book. Here's a little pen. They're super cute. They are adorables. And they have this tray where they just slide out and then you can slide them back in here. Next, we have a pen set. You can never have enough pens. This is the Friction pen set. Have you ever signed a questionable contract before reading the sinister fine print? Next time, sign with one of these pens. Erase your signature and wriggle out of your obligations anytime. Yes. Then finally, we've got, ooh, this is interesting. Do you guys remember these as kids? Oh my goodness. This is a Viewmaster lay flat notebook. Whimsy plus office supply plus unexpected epiphanies. This snazzy retro notebook. The manufacturer donates their proceeds to fund education projects around the world. 1966 tour of Disneyland discs not included. What? So I look at this and I think, yes, I remember those. And they call them retro. So yeah, these are retro. They were very fun though back in the day, these viewfinders. So just your basic notebook, but the cover is those fun little viewfinders. That concludes the unboxing, you guys. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we give the Desk Stash their very first rating. Are you ready? Let's go. We got this notebook. We've got the laser engraved paper clips. We've got the erasable pens. We've got the steel mail holder, bad guy blocker, and we've got the book light. So all of those items, you guys, included in the box in this quarterly subscription box for $45. All right, you guys, you know what time it is. It is time. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. So this was my very first Desk Stash. You notice how I try to enunciate a little bit better. Desk Stash box. And I must say it was very unique. They said it was going to be unique and they did not lie on that. So you guys, when we rate the box, you know how we do. We rate based on a few different factors. First of all, we rate on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. When we rate, we base on factors including, but not limited to, factors like the variety of the box, the packaging of the box, the value and descriptions of each item in the box. Let me just say, I thought this was a lot of fun to unbox. I thought that their descriptions were hilarious. I love the way that they described each item. I love the variety of the items, you guys. They were a lot of fun and a lot of different things that I would never purchase for my own office. Only thing that was missing. I would love to see how much each of these items costs or retails for. That is great for our subscription box lovers because we can see where our money's going and how much we're getting. I know they say the value is $75, but I like a good breakdown. What would you guys rate the box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. But first, let's hit that drum roll, please. get your very first rating from Saving Mamasita. And you're gonna get a 6.5. 6.5. Awesome job, Desk Stash. Thank you so much for sending me this box to review. I really enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun with it. It was freaking fun. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.